Say hi, Brian.
What do you say?
Say hi.
Hi.
It's Charlie's tail wagging in the window. The great blizzard of 2011.
Wow.
Yes. They've been shoveling this for a few hours. We've got a four-wheeler with a plow on the front. And got all the neighbors working together in this one big driveway. Let's see.
See how half your car is still snow on it?
Yeah.
I'll be alright now.
There's my car.
What's funny, I really want these I think my first trip
Get some
out.
Giordano's or something.
Hey, look. No.
Dude.
That's good. But I'll buy, so.
There's a four-wheeler with a plow in the front. And just snow, and also more snow. Got plows and salters, shovels. This is the street, the house, and Brian. Good old Brian.
We'll go help them.
Taking a video for our records.
It looks like a war. Like a war zone.
A war of snow.
Snow war.
Taking a video, Brian taking a video. There's my car, half snowed, half not. And that's already after they've cleaned it. This pile is very high. My toes are really cold. I think the last estimate I saw was 19.5 inches. And that was a couple hours ago. So, I don't know. Lots and lots of snow. The neighbors working on their backyard. This is Brian and Michelle's backyard. You can see the snow is almost up to the swing hanging from the tree. Just crazy. Crazy. These piles are as tall as I am. Alright. That is Mallory's footage of the Chicago blizzard of 2011. And I will go inside and warm off my toes. Bye!